Ay, sorry. Sorry, na-ADHD ako. Round 2. How would you explain the concept of tomorrow to someone who believes that today is all there is? Paano mo ipapaliwanag ang konsepto ng bukas sa isang taong naniniwala na ang ngayon lamang ang umiiral?
Thank you so much. That is a very hard question because it might be difficult to understand, but it's true. There are people who certainly believes that the only thing that is existing is today, and they do not believe that there will be tomorrow, simply because they want to maximize the days that they have. They want to be happy on the present, not thinking or worrying about what's gonna happen tomorrow. But you know, instead of making them feel that they are less person, it is important that you understand first where they are coming from. Why do these people think that the only thing that is existing is today and there's no longer tomorrow for them? What are the factors why they believe that the only thing that is existing is today? Of course, it is hard because I haven't believed in that. Because for me, the concept of tomorrow is having hope and having faith with your destiny as what God designed you to be. And if I am going to explain that to that person, I would make them emphasize their hardships, their sufferings, their problems. Because if you keep on thinking that the only thing that is existing is today, you will not be contented because there are a lot of problems, negativities. There are a lot of things that will make you less a person if you do not believe in tomorrow. Because ladies and gentlemen, no matter how hard life is, do not believe that the only thing existing is today. No matter how hard you are experiencing life is, believe that there is hope. And that hope is there will be a brighter tomorrow for you. And so, I think by making them understand that there is always hope for tomorrow, they will be able to know and embrace what we are telling them, the concept of tomorrow. It is hard because we are not entitled to really change the perspective of other people when it comes to philosophy in life. But then again, if we will be able to educate them properly, share understanding with them, and with that, we will be able to make an amazing impact with the lives of these people. Believe me, ladies and gentlemen, maybe some of the audiences tonight are believing that there is no tomorrow for them. But let me tell you this, kahit gaano kadilim ang iyong kasalukuyan, kahit gaano kahirap ang iyong kasalukuyan, kahit gaano kabigat ng iyong pinagdadaanan ngayon, lagi mong tatandaan, mayroong magandang bukas na nag-aantay sa iyo. At yan ay pangako ng ating Diyos na lumikha. Marami pong salamat.